In this video, we are going to discuss about the report writing. Under this topic, we are going to discuss about the definition of reports, importance of reports, features of reports, and the various types of reports. The definition of report is, it is a statement. It may be either big or small. It may discuss about the happenings, findings, observations. It may be prepared by an individual, or it might be prepared by a group, and this may be in form of oral or written. The next thing is the importance of report. The report is mainly important for making some decisions in case of any controversial and problematic issues arises in an organization. From this report, we may know the not only few members of an organization or a committee or a department, anybody can know that relevant fact about that organization or about the other groups through the reports. If we maintain that reports, we can make the information clear. The happenings, everything may be recorded and it may be forwarded. Features, it may be based on the facts with a often supported with some statistical data or references, and it may follow some style. It may be in a proper form. It depends upon the purpose, the style and the format of a report based on the purpose of that report. There should be a definite purpose to maintain a report, and it should be circulated exclusively to the individual or a group of individuals, and it means it is a mean of communication of some facts. It should be addressed to some definite readers. The various types of reports are routine or special, general or confidential, formal or informal, verbatim or summarized, and other types. Routine is an example. An annual report may be generated by an organization or by the board of directors at every financial years. That is a routine report. And a special report is for some particular inquiry or investigation. If a report is prepared, that is a special report. A general report is a report which is distributed among many, that may be even published in a newspaper. It is a general report, and a confidential report is meant for some superior or a person's. It may be written by hand or typed using some media. It is for a particular person or a group of persons. That is said to be the confidential report. And the next type of report is a formal or informal report. Formal report, it follows some prescribed format. At a prescribed time, it should be presented. That is a formal report. In turn, that formal reports can be classified as a statutory and non-statutory. If it is prepared by a company under the provision of Companies Act, that is said to be which is to be submitted to respective register. That is said to be the statutory report, and which is the report which is prepared formally, but there is no compulsion under law to be submitted to any authorized person, is a non-statutory report. And the next one is informal report. It need not be prepared based on some prescribed format. The purpose is to personally communicate. It may be even in the form of a letter. So this is a informal letter. The next category is a verbatim or a summarized. Verbatim report is a record of a full proceedings of a meeting. That is a verbatim report. A report may also summarize a few events. These reports can further be classified as a privileged or non-privileged. Here, the privileged report is a report which contains the statements or remarks made by some people. That is a privileged. The privileged report is a report, for example, a report on a proceedings of a case. which is allowed to be published in newspaper. This is a privileged. The other reports can be called as the non-privileged reports. And various other types of reports are one-man report or a group report. A report may be prepared by an individual, or it may be prepared by a group, can be called as a individual or a group reports. And some may be the majority report, or a committee may be divided into two reports, one by the majority and another by the minority. So these are the various types of reports. Thank you.